temperature?
Got it. Decreasing the temperature by 1.5 degrees for the driver.
Ooh, weather forecast.
Currently, it is sunny in Antwerp with a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Today, it will be sunny with a low of 7 and a high of 21 degrees Celsius.
Tell me a joke?